Vietnam Fried Siopaw House, the original Hong Kong style fried siopaw. You can see this in Binondo, Manila. Pin. Here's the store where you can buy pan-fried dumplings and siopaw or fried bun here in Binondo, Ongpin. So what are you waiting for? Vlog spot. You can visit this place in Binondo, Manila, Ongpin Street, where a lot of people are coming here to buy fried buns. This is the store, the hot, fresh and juicy pan-fried buns or siopaw in Chinese Filipino. Fried siopaw. This is their juices: coconut juice with milk, and some fruit drinks. All are healthy. So come visit Binondo, Manila, Ongpin. I bought a coconut juice here in a fried siopaw store. And what do you have? A fresh buko. A buko made from milk. And this is their juices. You can see. Now, vlog spot. I am already going home. And you can see there's a lot of people around in Binondo. It could be fried noodles. So how do you like our trip today? A vlog spot. So what are you waiting for? Subscribe, like and share for our Tito J Vlogs Manila vlog spot. This is what we bought. Lingnam Dim Sum box in Binondo, Ongpin. The fried siopaw that we bought just a while in Binondo. Going to taste the fried siopaw.
Ayos ang pagpingo nito. Ayos ang pagpingo.
Yung orange at asal.
It's a bit sweet. Very delicious. It has pork inside. Vlog spot. So we are already here at the mall in Robinsons in Ermita. Because outside is very hot. Very delicious fried siopaw. I highly recommend this siopaw. Very delicious. So I've tried the bola bola flavor, and if you buy this in one box for 300 in 12 pieces, delicious. Now we are going home. Vlog spot. How did you like our trip for today? So if you like, subscribe, like and share now for our Tito J Vlogs Manila Vlog Spot YouTube channel. Thank you.